Hi, Mild3D here. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a component visibility customization option within Angle3D Configurator. This type of customization option will allow you to show or hide specific components of your 3D model and will allow you to achieve things like showing your product in different sizes, like this table right here, showing your product in different states, like closing and opening this bag right here, or showing the different accessories available with your product, like this kitchen right here. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is click on Create a Customization option. You will then select Show Hide 3D Model Components. In this particular example, we'll use this kitchen island 3D model. This particular product presents a few variations, like for the base, that can be either some wheels or some legs, or the top that can either be a barbecue, a sink, or a countertop. Let's start with the first option, the base option. So let's call it base. The second thing you'll need to do is click on Pick Model Components. You can either select the components directly on the 3D model or using the hierarchy here. So let's select all the wheels and let's select all the legs right there. Once you're done, you click on Confirm Picking. It will highlight all the components that are being affected. Then you will click on Add a Visibility option. Let's say the first option will be the legs. So let's call it legs. On the left, you will have a shown components, and on the right, hidden components column, right? So for the legs option, let's show the legs and let's hide the wheels, all right? So let's select all the wheels and hide them. Let's create a second option. Let's call it wheels. This time we will do the opposite. We'll show the wheels and hide the legs. Right there, right? So now by clicking on the preview button, you will see that you are able to switch between the legs and the wheels. Perfect. So we can maybe set up a camera angle, so we can see the bottom whenever we select legs or wheels. Perfect. Let's click on done. All right. So you will see that now, whenever you click on legs or wheels, only the legs or only the wheels are shown at a time. All right. Perfect. So let's create the second option this time. Show hide 3D model components, and let's take care of the top this time. All right, so pick model components. So let's select everything that is being shown here. All right, what am I missing? Let me see real quick. There you go. Perfect. Confirm picking. All right, click on Add a Visibility option. So the first option we will create, let's say, would be the countertop, right? So let's call it countertop. Okay, so we will show the countertop and hide all the other components, all right? So let's say I hide everything and I just bring back the countertop right there. Perfect. So I have my first option. Let's create a second one. Let's say this one will be the sink. Okay. So let's hide everything and let's select everything regarding the sink. So that's why your components should be named appropriately as well, so it's really easy to configure everything afterwards, right? So I select everything and I might be missing one of them, which is the tap. Perfect, right there. And let's say a third one, which will be my barbecue. All right, let's hide everything. And let's bring back the barbecue, which is that one. Perfect. All right. So I have all my different accessories being shown at the top. Let's call this option top. Let's click on done. All right. So as before, I have my base that can be selected. I have my top now that can also be selected. I can switch between the sink and the barbecue. We just forgot one thing, which was to set a camera angle, so we can see the top. Let's click on done. Let's save it. And that's it. Let's preview the final configurator. There you go. You are able to switch between legs or wheels. All right. Or you're able to switch between the sink, the barbecue, and the countertop.